from the makers of the Mobile Pixels Duo campaign. The Trio.
Imagine no matter where you go, you can always enjoy the same efficiency and the convenience just like when you're in your office and work as efficient as you need.
Our goal is to build a suite of products under the Mobile Pixels brand that enables laptop users to stay productive and mobile for anywhere they go. After launching the DUEX, we gathered many feedbacks from our backers. Trio uses only 40% of the power that DUEX uses. It's lighter, it has upgraded aesthetics, and it also has a mode that enables the user to clip 2 screens together for a total of 3 screens.
With different setups, Trio gives you different possibilities.
Just like the Duo, a single Trio can be magnetized to the back of any laptop, extend the screen to the left or right to access the secondary display. What's new with Trio is you can now combine 2 together with our patent-pending clip mechanism. Now magnetize that to the back of your laptop, extend to the left and right to access 3 screens. You can also fold Trio backwards into a conferencing mode. Similar to the Duo, a single Trio can be folded backwards into presentation mode, which is great for screen sharing. Now with 2 Trios, you can swivel them into a triangle, which is great for group meetings. Trio is great for software developers. By standing it up in portrait mode, you can have all of your code in one view. Trio is also great for gaming. With 3 screens, you can now enjoy widescreen gaming anywhere you go. Not only is Trio easy to use, it's also compact and lightweight, which makes it ultra portable.
Our vision is to deploy Trio and DUEX in schools, corporations, government facilities, basically anywhere a laptop user could stay mobile and productive.
We thank all our backers from the first campaign. We couldn't have done that without you guys. Now we're here to ask for your help again. Let's build Trio together.
Let's build something awesome together again. Here at MIT, we've noticed a shifting trend in people's working behavior. More and more people are no longer working in their offices. They're working at coffee shops. They're working in co-working spaces. They're even working on trains, airplanes, anywhere they have an opportunity to stay productive.
I'm Steven.
I'm Jack, and we're Mobile Pixels. Mobile Pixels provides a secondary laptop monitor that gives laptop users the productivity desktop monitors provide for anywhere work takes them. A second laptop monitor can actually increase worker productivity by up to 50%. That's what Duo is doing. It gives them that extra productivity anywhere they go. Duo is ready to go right out of the box. You clip it to the back of your laptop via magnetic adhesives, you plug in a single USB cable, slide it out, adjust your viewing angle, and Duo is on. It works with all laptops. Duo has a presentation mode where if you flip the screen 180 degrees, you could easily screen share with someone who's sitting next to you or across from you. It's a great tool during conference. This low footprint makes it an ideal tool for all sorts of travel conditions.
Duo is sleek and doable. It only weighs 1.5 pounds and is energy efficient, so it won't drain your batteries.
And most importantly, we wanted to create a product that's affordable so it's accessible by everyone. We understand that people really want to maximize their productivity when they're working. So during their time off, they can enjoy the things they love doing. And that's what makes us excited. We want to partner with you so we could build something amazing together.
In today's fast-paced world, productivity and practicality are essential components of success. What do these three daily laptop users all have in common? They use Vinpok split monitor wherever they go. Vinpok split monitor is your portable, convenient, and trustworthy new best friend. It's versatile enough to fit anyone's needs. Quickly attach one or two monitors to your laptop. Vinpok Split Monitor allows you to boost productivity by up to 50%. Use it remotely, in office, or from home. Vinpok Split Monitor can be connected to your Android smartphone for unparalleled efficiency. The presentation mode enables you to share information quickly and effectively. Its compact size and sleek design makes it easy to carry and perfect to use on the go. It's not all business with Vinpok. Use it for your gaming systems as well. Vinpok Split Monitor. Never leave productivity or fun behind again. Back our campaign today.
Introducing Gemini, the most affordable portable touchscreen monitor. As working professionals, we enjoy working on big monitors or multiple screens at home or in the office. But in nowadays busy life, we are required to be more flexible and bring our work everywhere. Coffee shops, hotel rooms, airports, we are always on the go. So we made Gemini to achieve maximum productivity anywhere at an affordable price for everyone. Gemini is a 15.6-inch monitor with built-in battery and a patent-pending kickstand for more convenience. Unlike other monitors that drain out the battery of your computer, it can even charge your phone. Gemini is the ideal companion for businessmen and travelers, as well as creative people working with graphic applications, designers, architects, photographers, filmmakers, or for people who just want to have fun and enjoy gaming. Perfect for Nintendo Switch, Xbox, or PlayStation. Based on your preference, you can use it in horizontal or vertical mode. It works with Android smartphones. You can finally have a more convenient way to check your emails, stream videos, or play games. Gemini has a solid all-metal frame design and is light, easy to carry, and convenient to use. Just plug and play. No need to install any software. You can either extend your monitor to get a better overview or mirror your screen so you can share with colleagues or clients. It's compatible with all laptops and very versatile, as we included all the ports you need: HDMI, Type-C, USB, and Mini HDMI. Gemini is available in two versions, the Full HD with touchscreen feature and the Ultra HD with astonishing display details, so you can choose whatever works best for you. we developed a product that is affordable and gives you more freedom and flexibility. Please support us and get more productive with Gemini.
Hi, I'm Matt Ralph, the creator of PackPixels. 4 years ago, we successfully crowdfunded our original PackPixels and delivered to all of our backers. Since then, we've sold thousands of PackPixels worldwide. The feedback and reviews we've received have been incredible. We're now sold out of the original and very excited to be launching our new models. We now have 2 sizes. The PackPixels Go, a 10.1-inch monitor that is an update on our original PackPixels, and the new PackPixels 4K, a 15.6-inch monitor designed for those needing a powerful desktop experience out on the road. More details on the differences in a mo. Millions of computer users understand the huge productivity gains that additional monitors bring. Research suggests productivity gains of between 30 and 50% can be had, but the world is changing and continues to change. More and more people are seeing the benefits of agile remote working, but when you're working in a coffee shop, your laptop screen can become very limiting. This is why I created PackPixels, so mobile workers can be more productive no matter where they are. So whether you're a software developer who needs to have a wiki open while also keeping an eye on that group chat, a day trader looking for that competitive advantage, or simply a freelancer who needs your Excel documents open alongside your Word documents, PackPixels can help. Our patented mounting system fits any size of laptop and takes seconds to set up. PackPixels is the only portable monitor system that does not use permanent sticky pads or damaging clamps to attach. You also don't need any space to stand your monitor, so you can even work with PackPixels on your lap. For our new models, we've updated how PackPixels connects and now support USB-C and HDMI. USB-C means that PackPixels Go and PackPixels 4K work with any device that supports Thunderbolt 3, USB 4 or DP-Old mode USB-C. Our addition of HDMI means the new models work with not only laptops with HDMI, but also any games consoles or digital cameras that can support the resolution. HDMI also means the new models work great with the Raspberry Pi credit card to computer. In addition to our laptop mounting system, the new models also feature a standard tripod mount that can be used with the included Flex tripod to freestand on any desk. It can also be used with any off-the-shelf camera mount to allow photographers to use PackPixels as a large remote screen for any of their equipment. So, why did we create 2 models? PackPixels have always packed very high quality Retina screens into an easy to carry lightweight package. The PackPixel Go continues this with a beautiful 2560 by 1600 resolution 10.1 inch panel. This makes PackPixels Go the perfect companion for those with small lightweight ultrabooks or for those who simply like to travel as light as possible. The PackPixels Go is great for those who regularly work in coffee shops or on the train. We recognise though that there is a growing trend of powerful workstation and gaming laptops for users who demand more from their mobile setup. For these users we created the PackPixels 4K, a 15.6-inch monitor with a full 4K resolution. The PackPixels 4K is perfect for content creators who would like a full 4K preview, or for day traders who need to track trends across a wide range of stocks and shares. Both models are designed for life on the road. Every PackPixels comes with a carry case, laptop mounting brackets, flex desk stand and all the connection cables you need. As we're launching 2 models, we're launching 2 Indiegogo campaigns. This campaign is for the PackPixels 4K. If the PackPixels Go is the right model for you, there's a link in the story below that will take you to our other campaign. So when will you get your PackPixels? Most of the design work is now complete. We have working prototypes, we have our existing manufacturing partners in place, and we have a track record of successfully delivering to all of our backers. We've stated deliveries being October 2019, but we hope to be able to deliver earlier than that. All we need now is a successful Indiegogo campaign. We have some great discounts on offer, so secure yourself a PackPixels or 2 now, before the prices go up. Many thanks.
Introducing BladeX, the thinnest and most portable 15.6-inch touchscreen monitor. The super slim design and lightweight makes BladeX the perfect travel companion wherever you go, helping you to boost your productivity and make your life more efficient. Hotels, coffee shops, airports, at work or home, we are living a busy life, always have to be flexible, and enjoy the freedom to bring our work anywhere we go. BladeX is an innovative, portable 15.6-inch monitor with a built-in battery inside the stand. It's super easy to use. You don't need to install any software. Just plug and play. Based on your preference, you have 3 ways to adjust it with its stand. Easily set it up and use in horizontal or vertical mode, a very useful feature for programming or other creative works, or you can even use it in studio mode. BladeX is so versatile and can really adapt to any situation. Connected to your Android smartphones to enjoy a bigger screen for gaming, video calls, or watching movies. Through the HDMI port, it's even compatible with external media players or cameras, offering you a more convenient way to check your pictures or videos. You can either extend your monitor to enlarge your screen size or mirror your screen. It's compatible with all laptops and operating systems and includes all the connections you need. BladeX is the perfect match for businessmen and travelers, as well as creative people that require bigger screen sizes, designers, programmers, architects, photographers, filmmakers, or people who just want to have fun and enjoy gaming. The magic part about our design is that we place the battery and all connections inside the stand, allowing us to keep the display super slim and the stand very stable, and making it so quick and easy to pack and go. The monitor is designed and built in high quality with a solid all-metal frame design, stylish, convenient to use, and very durable. BladeX is available in two versions, the 1080p with touchscreen feature or the 4K BladeX Pro with impressive display details, so you can choose whatever works best for you.